Hey, what's poppin'? Jordan Thomas here, helping you simplify tech and running. Today I'm gonna be doing a special episode where I'll be doing an unboxing of the Sony WF-1000XM4s, or we'll just call them the Mark IV Sony earbuds for short. So let's jump right into the overall unboxing. So you've got some very simple packaging here. That is a lot stickier than I was anticipating. So the box is made of some recyclable material. Gotta love that, looking out for the overall environment. And there we have the overall earbuds. One of the more interesting things to me about this year's version, I believe the last version came out in 2019. What you'll find with this case is that it is considerably smaller than the previous one. Now, one of the things that I'm super excited about, and I always get excited about this when it comes to the technology aspects, is the battery life. Now, one of the things I'm extremely interested in is finding out whether or not this 8-hour battery claim with 24 hours of charge in the case really holds up. So I've already got some markings on the case. You've got a USB-C charging port there. One of the nice things about this overall case is that it is wirelessly chargeable. I actually don't have a wireless charging station, but it's nice to know that if I run across one, I can go ahead and charge my earbuds up that way. So now let's get into the actual earbuds. So one of the other interesting features with these particular headphones, you could do this with the previous version as well, but you can set them to use one earbud independently. I have to get familiar with them to figure out like which earbud controls your assistant, but that's something good to know for those of you that just want to wear one earbud at a time. So we've got the left and the right earbud. Got a nice little magnetic case to try to keep things in place. So let's go ahead and put you in place. So the case is magnetic, and see that orange is letting me know that it is now charging. Turn it upside down, nothing coming out. Certainly can appreciate that. It's closed, it's locked, and I've got an orange light indicating that the buds are charging. Also in the overall packaging, you're gonna get a whole bunch of paperwork. I imagine there's stuff in here about how to get your initial setup together, as well as you have a few different earbud tips here. I think that it's great that they're actually color coordinated, so that way you can know at a glance which ones are which. The other nice thing about having a small and a large, the earbuds that come already pre-installed are going to be the medium ones. So you really want to be able to dial in that fit, because that's one of the things that's going to help you get the best use out of using active noise cancellation. And you also get a charging cable. So you set this up, plug it into your brick, and then you're all good to go as far as your overall charging. I'd love to hear from you and let me know like what questions you have for these. I'm going to be testing them out over the next few days. I'm really excited about testing out a few things, particularly around latency. I want to test out the battery charging claim. I want to be able to test out some of the, of course, active noise cancellation. I want to check out some of the overall modes, particularly that of being able to like talk and have the volume go a little bit lower. Give me a few days and I'll put something together for you for a more detailed, comprehensive review. I'll see you next time. Jordan Thomas, peace.